guys, welcome back. In my first video, I talked about the select statement. We just did the basics, and this time around I just want to take you a step further for you to know how this select statement is used on the next level. So without much ado, let's just jump straight into Workbench, and we're going to continue from where I ended the other time. So we go straight to Workbench. Yeah, so here we are in Workbench. So what happened the last time was that we ended on the point where we selected some few columns. That was employment number, first name, last name, hire date from employees. Yeah. So now, initially, let's take the whole of the employees. So I click here, I'm clicking this side. Yeah. And then I go like Control Enter, and I get the whole employee table back again. Now we see that we had gender, we had first name, birth date, and all that. Now if we want to select like we did before, if we want to select, we want to select the employment number and the first name and the last name and the hire date of only females in the company. How are we going to go by this? Because you can see that these females and males are all intertwined and scattered all up in the database. That is where the where statement comes into play. The where conditional clause, sorry. So I'm going to use the same code, select employment number, first name, last name, hire date from employees, and then I go like where gender. As you can see here, the name of the column, or gender. Sorry, where gender is equal to females. See, but I need to put in this in comments. Sorry. Yeah. So I clean it up. So you see, the code is now clean, and then I press Control Enter, or once again I can use the splits here. I click it, then we see that all these um, names here represent the females in the database. But one thing that I did that could be a bit confusing was that I should have even selected the gender column so that we can actually know that these are, these are really, we can see Mary here, but a name like this, I can't tell whether it's a female or a male. So let's just add the gender column to this. So we get gender and then Control Enter, or we use the blitz. So you see we have the same names here, but it has appended the gender to it on the last column. Now what it tells us that where you place the column name, that is where the table is going to depict it. Because when I copy this, cut, I put a comma here and put that here, and I delete this and I use my blitz. Now you can see the gender is now ahead, it comes before the hire date. So this is how you can use your where condition to to delve much deeper into the data to see what you really want. If we change this to M, which is males, we're going to get Control Enter. See, we have all males here. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I believe you are also going to if you have any database, you can upload it into SQL and do some bit of skirmishes and see what you get. But until then, thank you very much for watching once again, and see you on the flip side.